Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to generate images in Runway. The process will be quite simple and easy. So, we are in the Runway studio, and from here, scroll down. And here you will see the option, Text to Image. Tap on this one. Now we are in the section of creating images. The first thing is aspect ratio. Tap on this one, and if you want to change the aspect ratio, then you can select landscape or portrait. But I'll choose the selected aspect ratio. Now here is the resolution. And remember, if you don't have the premium subscription of the runway.com, then you can't change it to 2K. So that's where I will let it on 720 pixels. And here is the option style. Tap on this one. And you can also choose the style like 3D cartoon, 3D render. For my picture, I will choose cinematic after selecting. Here is the option. Number of outputs means how many images you want to create. I will select 1. Remember, if you select 4, then it will cost 4 generation token. And if you select 2, then it will cost 2 generation tokens. So that is why I select only 1. And I am writing. So I write my prompt. And the last thing is, tap on the option to generate. Now Runway is generating my image. So here is my image and it's superb. So by using this method, you can create images using Runway.